The GAF presented in June 2021 with the J300 Land Cruiser. Not long after, Lexus exposed the J310 LX, followed by the XK70 Expanse as well as XK80 Sequoia. In some cases referred to as the F1, the GAF will serve as the basis for the next-generation Land Cruiser Prado, GX, Tacoma, 4Runner, and also the Tacoma's global sibling. While on the subject of midsize automobiles, Toyota Australia has validated a brand new Hilux that will be introduced in 2023. The second 50% of 2023, to be more specific, and it's not just any type of Hilux. A hardcore halo variation is on the horizon, ready to be introduced for the 2024 version year under the GR Sporting Activity moniker. Toyota Australia better confirmed that it will certainly replace the rugged X as the front-runner version of the range, and nothing else details were offered. Not also a verification for the GAF, which is utmost certain as a result of the existing platform's age-old age. The AN120 AN130 turned out in May 2015, which makes it greater than 7 years old at press time. Facelifted in November 2017, the 8th generation Hilux obtained yet an additional nip and tuck task in June 2020. The second renovation presented the globe to the GR Sporting Activity, which isn't as sporty as Toyota states it is because of the 1GD FTV turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine. It goes without claiming that 4-cylinder lumps will certainly be available in the 9th generation pickup, as well as there's a minor adjustment of a twin-turbo V6 obtained from the GAF vehicles and utilities pointed out previously. As an example, Toyota has actually stopped the base tune of the V35 AFTS in the Expanse for the 2023 version year, a base song that makes 348 horsepower and 405 pound-foot, 550 Nm of torque. By comparison, the 1GD FTV in the outgoing Hilux GR Sporting Activity cranks out 221 horsepower and also 405 pounds-to-foot, 550 Nm.